Being a food and beverage company is hard. Constant pressure to get products to market quickly, evolving regulations, changing consumer trends, tight labor markets, and increasing retailer demands make it challenging to keep up and still turn a profit. Luckily, there's a solution: Power Packaging, the premier provider of contract manufacturing and packaging services. For over 50 years, Power Packaging has delivered innovative solutions and unmatched value to the world's largest brands. From processing and blending to packaging, Power Packaging can handle all of your dry food and aseptic beverage manufacturing needs. Unique processes and a commitment to quality and safety make it easy to adapt to changing regulations and trends, optimize existing production, or commercialize a new product. For secondary packaging, an integrated approach at the point of manufacturing limits disruption and reduces costs. Leveraging any of our 4 facilities or sourcing an entirely new location, Power Packaging has the expertise and capacity to design, develop, and operate a dedicated facility, supporting long-term growth. And as a DHL company, we can manage all supply chain solutions, including warehousing, transportation, and e-commerce, increasing speed to market. Whether you're already outsourcing your manufacturing or just getting started, Power Packaging is here to help.